come. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Hold on, I already put it in more before. Okay.
Morgan, come over here. I need to like squeeze your hand. Morgan!
Over where?
Morgan! Are you?
I don't know, where am I going?
I can't believe you're recording this.
I think it's funny.
Ow! It's hurting my finger! Look, here's my ear.
Okay.
Do you want to sit down?
It went through.
It went through? Ow, God!
Move. Take it away. Take it away. Okay, now, I didn't go through. It's halfway. Almost there.
It's gonna hurt so bad to come out the other side. It hurts worse.
I feel it. I can feel it.
Yeah, through the back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'm just pushing a little bit more. Oh, I feel it. Ooh.
Oh my God.
I'm trying.
Here, I'll do the last little bit. Let me do the last.
Are you recording this?
Yeah.